Good afternoon. Welcome to the Material Strength Center of Civil Engineering Department of your measuring area 191 square meters. It is established in the year 1985. The laboratory has fully equipped equipments and machineries. So list of experiments conducted are tension test, compression test, double shear test, torsion test, impact test, hardness test. So these are all as per the unionized norms. Then list of equipments. So deflection test apparatus, continuous beam test apparatus, hardness testing apparatus, wire torsion, universal testing machine, then fatigue test, compression testing machine, rod testing machine, proving rings of 1000 kilonewton capacity and 250 kilonewton capacity, electrical furnace of 1200 degrees centigrade, tiles abrasion testing machine, tiles fluxure testing machine, etc. These are some of the equipments which is there in our laboratory. So here we can see view of all the machineries which is in the material testing center. So our material center is having also the purpose of consultancy and testing works. Almost all the government agencies and private organizations in and around Sivagasi has access to the laboratory for consultancy and testing facilities. So this is one of the arrangements, that is the beam testing apparatus. It is used by our UG class students for their lab classes. They will be finding the deflection, doing the deflection by doing the test and finding the Young's modulus for the given material. Next is your Rockwell harness testing machine, drill harness testing machine, Vickers harness testing machine. So these three apparatus are available. So each one of them we can do the hardness value of the given specimens. The specimens like aluminium, bronze, wrought iron can be tested using this hardness testing machines. Okay. Next is your wire torsion testing machine. Wire torsion testing machine. So this equipment is used for testing the torsion resistance for the given specimen. So here the specimen is a wire, so less than 6 mm or 6 mm specimens have been used, so that is why it is in wire torsion testing machine. Okay. The next is your UTM machine of 250 kilonewton capacity. So this is used for finding the fluxure test, that is 2-point loading will be given and the beams will be tested for its fluxure resistance. Then next is your spring testing machine. So what you can see is your spring testing machine. So here this spring testing machine, both your Rockwell, that is your compression testing machine as well as tension test are conducted. This is used for the UG lab classes. So the specimens, both your open coil as well as closed coil will be tested and find the resistance of the spring. The stiffness as well as modulus of rigidity of the spring will be find using this by conducting the spring testing experiments. So next is your electrical furnace. So our electrical furnace is having capacity of 1200 degree centigrade. It is having an automatic settings, the time as well as the temperature to which the specimen has to be kept inside the furnace, that can be set in the digital electrical display itself. It can be viewed there itself. So the specimens concrete specimens or whatever specimens is used, that can be used here in this furnace. And UG students, PG students, and mostly for research, the people who are studying the thermal studies of the materials are using this furnace for doing their project. Next is your UTM of 110 capacity. So using this universal testing machine, the UG students are doing the exercise like double shear test, tension test, axial compression test, as well as the compression strength of the cube specimens, etc. So this is the equipment which has been purchased from Blue Star, and it is also used for the PG students as well as UG students for conducting the 2-point loading or 3-point loading for the given beam and the fluxure members. So here it is an electrical system is connected to it, so it is having electrical digital display. So where you have the load, deflection or stress strain curves plotted while simultaneously when the loading is being done in the UTM machine. So that is one of the advantage. So we can take the stress strain curves plotted simultaneously while doing the experiments from this UTM. Okay, so next is your tiles abrasion testing machine. So tiles abrasion testing machine is used for finding the wear and tear of the tile specimen or the concrete specimens where it is applied, the number of loads will be, cycles will be given. Accordingly, the resistance towards the abrasion is found for the given specimen. So next is your fatigue testing machine. So this is also one of the experiments which is done by our research scholars. So they are doing the fatigue testing, cyclic loading for the given specimen, and using this arrangement they are using they are finding the fatigue resistance of the given specimens. So it is having a capacity of 2800 RPM. So next is your CTM, compression testing machine of AML apparatus of AML brand. So it is of 3000 kilonewton, and it is used for testing the material properties of the concrete, like your compressive strength, tensile strength, and can also be calculated, found using this arrangement. And this arrangement is also once again used for your UG, PG as well as for research purposes. And this is your tiles fluxure testing machine. So here this is the fluxure test for the tile. Fluxure test for the tile. So here 2-point loading will be given. The tiles of standard dimensions are kept here, and for the loading is applied, and the fluxure resistance of the tiles are found using this arrangement. This is one of our research of our faculty. So this is the impact testing machine. So here we have two arrangements, one for IZOD and another one for the CHAPI testing arrangements. So this is the one of the lab exercise for the UG students. They will be doing this exercise. Both the UG civil as well as mechanical students are doing this exercise. So addition to this, we are having the consultancy arrangements. Our consultancy is also done in our labs, and all the servicing and maintenance are done by the service engineers of Blue Star Company as the TMC Associates, etc. So the laboratory classes has the facility of 24 hours power supply uninterruptedly. The workbenches have a maximum of 66 students with a batch of 2 students. Okay, and apart from that, we have excellent ventilations in the laboratory, providing good environment for students to do the practicals comfortably. So it is about the introduction and about the equipment which is there in the strength of materials lab. So thank you.